181 Quebec, departure from the ramp is at your own risk. The wind is estimated 040 at 14. You cross runway 5.
Cross runway 5, 81 Quebec, thank you. Last check, we're all good.
Here we go.
I love you too.
I love you, baby. Happy birthday.
Do you get the crap? Ah! Oh! Oh no.
No screaming.
Oh no.
Squirming is allowed though.
Whoa, here we go, guys.
Yeah!
Oh, yeah. Here you go, Julian. You ready for the mission, buddy?
Yep, me too.
Okay, Joey. Oh, my goodness.
Whoa, Mom, look at the floor. Oh, that's
Okay, we got FAU Stadium right down there. It's
yeah.
was set up for a soccer game. Yeah, there's lots of baseball fields. Right over on here, you got a
Oh.
baseball fields, football fields, there's big old swimming pool.
Okay.
Wow, look at the boats. Look, over there, going in and out.
I see it. Hey, look, I can see the boat.
There's the Hillsboro Lighthouse, the white and black structure right there.
Yeah, I see it.
We're gonna circle right around it.
Yay! Huh.
Oh, isn't this cool? Look, we're going over the boat.
Yep. The beach. Oh, there's the beach.
That is beautiful.
Well, I can see rocks.
Wow, that is beautiful, huh?
That guy's talking to you in that water tower.
No, not that one.
Yeah, you can like that.
Coming up on the fishing pier, the Deerfield fishing pier.
Look, we go here. Look, Julia, look right there. That's where we go.
Yeah. What, this is our beach?
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's where we saw the sharks.
We're gonna be coming over this white building with the kind of greenish blue windows, and on the top of it are some rooftop swimming pools,
I want to see.
which is really cool.
Yeah.
All right, here we go.
Look on top of the building.
Whoa.
Whoa!
See them?
Yeah.
They're on the roof. How cool is that?
Go.
Awesome.
On the right over here is Boca Inlet with Lake Boca. This big pink building on our right here is the Boca Resort. Here we're back over at FAU. There's the stadium over there on your side.
I see it.
On the right, nice big Olympic-sized swimming pool.
Whoa, look how big that pool is, Julian.
Let me see.
Woo, that was awesome, wasn't it, guys?
Yeah.
Happy birthday, Julian.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, Joey.
Oh, there it is. There it is. There it is.
Yeah.
There it is.
Oh, good job. Good job, soldier.
Where?
We found our car
Where?
right in front of us.
All right, there you go. How'd you like it?
Awesome. Thank you very much. Say thank you.
Thank you.